Hey guys, what's up? In this video we're gonna talk how we can install our Git in our Windows 10 PC. So this is a very easy process. Let's see how we can install Git in Windows 10. So for that, open the browser and search Git and go to this git-scm.com. Go to this site and download for Windows. Click here. Then you can select your device. So my device is 64-bit device, so I want to download this. So the download has started. As you can see, it is 47 megabyte. So you see, okay, open it and install it. Go to run as administrator, then click next, click next, click next, 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 next. So you don't need to change everything, just click next, 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 next. It is started installing. So it is almost installed. Okay, finish. This is the new version what they released on Git, so we don't want to watch it. Now we are going to open the Git. Search here git cmd and write git hyphen version. Now you're gonna see the version of Git. As you can see, the Git version is 2.36.1, which we installed few minutes ago. So that's it guys. This is how we can install the Git.